In this video, you are going to see how to rotate a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see here, let's get started. Here I have a table in Microsoft PowerPoint. If I click on the table, there is no direct way to rotate the table. If I click on over here, if I go to table layout, you will see the rotation option is unhighlighted. So I have to apply a trick. Click on the border of the table, then the table will be selected. Now click on right button and copy the table. Now go to home, go to over here paste, go to paste special and choose picture JPG and click on OK. Then the table will be pasted as a picture. Now here you can rotate it very easily and you can put it anywhere. Click on the table, go to picture format. From here you can change the rotation option. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.